welcome back to Colin's Country. Today we are going to be pressure washing some farm equipment, and we have this new pressure washer from Giraffe Tools, and we're going to try this out. We're going to test it out, see how it performs on some of our farm equipment. If you've ever used a pressure washer, you know what a pain in the butt it is to actually wind the reel back up. One of my favorite perks to this thing is it is a retractable reel, and you can pull it out, and this thing is really nice. One of the cool things about this is you can buy this extra portable quick kit, so you can actually put wheels on it and wheel it around to wherever you want, but it also can mount on the wall, which is a pretty nice feature. If you have a barn like this, you need to wash your farm equipment periodically. It'd be awesome to have this mounted to the walls. We have different nozzles down here, so I really like this one, but I'm going to change it out to something different so you guys can see what that looks like as well. Let's do this one. This one's a 15-degree nozzle. Let's see what the 40-degree looks like. That's something that I think that I would use for like siding on a house. I think that would work perfect. So far I'm pretty impressed with the performance of this, but now let's try out this soap dispenser and coat the tractors one last time, and then rinse them off. All right, now I'm going to go to the 25-degree nozzle, and we're going to get this soap off here and call it good. What the best part about this is the cleanup. Ready? Just walk it right in here. Yes, sir. Uh-huh. Love it. And then I usually pull up a little bit, and then I just attach it. Voila. All right, the tractors are clean. They look great after this winter. All the mud, we got it all off of there, so we're happy about that. The link is in the description below if you want this product for your homestead. Other than that, thanks for watching and happy homesteading.